Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send SMS alerts for WooCommerce order updates. So here I'm running an online store on WooCommerce, and now what I want is that as my order get updates, like they are going to get completed, refunded or cancelled, then automatically I want to update my customer by sending us SMS notification. So for sending the SMS notification, I'm going to use Twilio, and for my objective, I have to build a connection between WooCommerce and Twilio. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to get a new order updated, then automatically I want to send the SMS notification by using Twilio. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can set up SMS notification for WooCommerce order updates. So keeping customer informed about their orders is crucial for providing excellent services and building trust. By sending SMS notifications for order updates, you can enhance the customer experience in several ways. SMS notifications will provide immediate updates to customer about their order status. Also, keeping customer informed about their order improves satisfactions and reduces anxiety. So suppose here I'm running a store in WooCommerce and a customer places an order. Now I have received that customer order, and now by setting up a SMS notification, the customer receives instant updates when their order is completed, delivered, or even if customer asked for refund, then also I want to send the SMS notification for refunded orders. Now here for setting up this SMS notification and for sending the SMS to my customer, I'm going to use Twilio. So Twilio is going to be my application for sending the SMS to all my customers. And now by setting up this automation, this will not only keep my customer informed, but also builds a trust and encourages for repeated purchase. Now integrated SMS notifications with WooCommerce ensures that your customer receives timely and relevant updates about their orders, enhancing their overall experience. And for setting up this automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I'm going to build this connection between WooCommerce and Twilio without any coding and programming skills. And now as I'm going to get new update of my order, then automatically I'm going to send SMS notification to my customer by setting up this automation. So here I need to use Pabbly Connect, and for that I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here I have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If we don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then we can just click on this sign up for free button, and this will take only 2 minutes of our time, and we will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if we already have an account, we can just sign in and it will take us to this page. So here we have all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I need to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here what I want to do is I need to create a new workflow. So I'm going to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Now here I need to give a name to my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to sending SMS alerts for WooCommerce order updates. And now what I need to do is I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab, and here I have all these folders in my Pabbly Connect account, and here I have this particular folder of WooCommerce, so I'm going to select this, and now I need to click on create. And this will take us to the window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be WooCommerce. So I'm going to search for WooCommerce here. Now I need to select WooCommerce. And here I need to give a trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab, and order updated will be my trigger event, so I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to connect WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL, and this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. Now I will take you to my WooCommerce account. And here in WooCommerce, what I need to do is I need to add my webhook URL. So for that, I need to go to settings, and now I need to go to advanced, And here in advanced settings, I have this option of webhook. So I'm going to open that. And now here in webhook, I have to add a new webhook. So I'm going to click on this add webhook button. And now first I need to give a name. So here my name will be Twilio integration. So I'm going to type that. And now I need to give my status. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select the status of active. And now I need to select my topic. So I'm going to open this tab again. And here I'm going to search for order updated. So this order updated is going to be my topic. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to give my delivery URL. So here in delivery URL, I'm going to give my webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. And I'm going to paste that here. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save webhook. And here I have successfully added my webhook. Now what I need to do is I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response of webhook ID. So this means that I have successfully added my webhook in WooCommerce. And now what I need to do is I need to click on recapture webhook response button. I will click on yes. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. And now here for getting this webhook response, what I need to do is I need to change the status of an order and I need to update that in WooCommerce. So for that, let me take you back to WooCommerce. Here I will go to orders. And here we can see I have all these orders. So these are all the orders that are still in processing stage. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open one of this order. So I'm going to open this order of Dummy Smart. And here this is my order. So it was built to Dummy Start and this is the address of my customer. Also I have the email address that is dummysmart45@pabblytudes.com. Also I have the random phone number. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the status of this order. So for changing the status, I'm going to open this tab. And now here I have completed this order and I've successfully delivered this order. So I'm going to select this status of completed. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to update this. So I'm going to click here. And here I have successfully updated my order. So my order has been updated and I have changed the status from processing to completed. Now I need to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my order that I have just updated. And here I have the total amount that is of 850 rupees. I have the status that is completed. So I have changed my status from processing to completed. So I have updated this. And also here I have my product name that is Java course for beginners. Also here I have the first name of my customer that is Dummy. I have the last name that is Smart. I have the postcode. I have the state that is MP. I have the city that is Bhopal. And here I have the address that is 12 Galaxy Apartment. Also in this I have that payment method that is cash on delivery. I have the payment URL. And here I have my line item details. So I have the total amount of 850 rupees and I have the name of my product that is Java course for beginners. And here I have the line item ID. So these are the detail of my product and also I have received this detail of my order and I have updated my order and I have changed the status of my order from processing to completed. Now here as I have updated my order in WooCommerce, I have automatically received that response here in Pabbly Connect. Now what I need to do is as the status of my order is going to get updated in WooCommerce, then automatically according to the status of my order, I want to change personalized SMS notification to my customer by using Twilio. So here for example, if my order gets successfully delivered and got completed, then I want to send the SMS notification for completed order. Or if my order gets refunded and if I have successfully sent the refunded amount back to my customer, then I want to send the SMS notification for the refunded order. So here what I want is that on the basis of my condition, I want to send different SMS notification to my customer. So here for doing that, I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab. And here for running my action application on basis of condition, I'm going to use router. Now I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab and conditionally run will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and now I'm going to click on connect. So here what I can do is on the basis of my condition, I can create different routes and on the basis of that condition, I can set up my actions tab and I can run my workflow. So here in my condition, what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my status of my order. Like I have the order status as completed, cancelled and refunded. So I want to send SMS notification for all these order updates to my customer. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my route first and here I need to first rename this. So I'm going to click on this 3-dot button and I'm going to click on rename. Now first I'm going to rename it as order completed. So here this is going to be the name of my route and I'm going to click on update. And now in this route, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my filter and actions tab. So I'm going to click on this button. And here I need to first set up my filter. So here in my filter, I need to set up my condition. And for setting up my condition, I need to give my label, filter type, and the value. So here in my filter, what I'm going to do is that if from my response of WooCommerce, I am receiving the status of completed, then automatically I want this filter to work and I want to send SMS notification for completed order. So for setting up my filter, I need to first select my label. So I'm going to open this tab. I'm going to open this response of WooCommerce. And here I have this label of status. So I'm going to select this. And here I need to give my filter type and that will be equal to. Now I need to give my value. And in the value, I'm going to type completed. Now here what is going to happen is that as in my response of WooCommerce, I'm going to receive this label of status. And if in that label, I'm receiving the value of completed, then this filter will work and my condition will be true. So as my condition is going to be true, then automatically I'm going to send a personalized SMS notification for completed order to my customer. So here I've set up my filter. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here my condition is true and I have the status of success. Now here what I need to do is I need to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to click on this Add Actions tab button. And here for sending the SMS notification, I'm going to use Twilio. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send SMS message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to connect Twilio with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting Twilio with Pabbly Connect, I need the account SID, authorization token, and again I need to give the account SID. So where I'm going to find all these details, for that I need to take you back to my Twilio account. And here I need to scroll down. And here we can see I have my account SID, authorization token, and my Twilio phone number. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these details and I'm going to paste them in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to do that. Now here I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on save. And here I have connected Twilio with Pabbly Connect. Now for sending the SMS notification, I need to fill all these tabs. So first I need to give the body of the SMS. So here I'm going to type the content of my SMS that I want to send to my customer for completed order. So this is going to be the body of my SMS, that is, hi, I need to give the customer name, your order, and I will give the order number. Has been successfully completed. Thank you for shopping with us. You can view your order details here. And in this message, I'm going to give my product name and the total amount. And my message is going to end with, if you have any questions, please contact our support team. So this is going to be the body of the SMS. And now what I need to do is I need to fill all these details of my customer and the order, like the customer name, order number, product name, and the total amount. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the response of my WooCommerce, and from my response I'm going to receive the detail of my customer and order. So I'm going to map all those details here, and for that I need to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So first I'm going to clear this, and here I need to first map my customer name. So for mapping, I need to open this response of WooCommerce, and here I need to first search for the name of my customer. So here this is the first name of my customer, so I'm going to map this. I will give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now similarly I have to clear this order number and I need to map the order ID. So I'm going to open this response of WooCommerce. And here this is my order ID, so I'm going to map this. And now I'm going to map the product name and the total amount. So I'm going to click here, I will give a space and I'm going to open this response of WooCommerce and I'm going to search for my line item name. So this is the name of my line item or the name of my product. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to give the total amount. So I need to click here, I will give a space and I'm going to open this response of WooCommerce. And here this is my total amount, that is 850 rupees. So I'm going to map this. And after my amount, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type my currency unit, that is Indian rupees. So I'm going to type RS here. So this is my amount and I have mapped all the detail of my order and the customer. So this is going to be my complete SMS that I want to send every time a new order gets completed in WooCommerce. Now here what I need to do is I need to give the sender number. So for the sender number, I need to go back to Twilio. And here this is my sender number. So I'm going to copy this I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. Now I need to give the recipient mobile number. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to map the customer mobile number. So I need to click here. I will open this response of WooCommerce and here I'm going to search for the phone number. So here this is my phone number of my customer. So I'm going to map this. And here I'm receiving this phone number of my customer without my country code. So before my phone number, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type my country code, that is +91. And now my recipient mobile number is completed. Now here I have mapped all the required details and I have mapped these details. Now what is going to happen is that as I have mapped these details here, I have made these details dynamic. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new response of a new order updation from WooCommerce, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. So here I have filled all the required details. Now what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here I have received this response. So this is a positive response. Now this means that I have sent an SMS notification for order completed to my customer and I have informed my customer that their order has been completed and successfully delivered. Now I'm going to show you that SMS. So here we can see I have received this SMS that says, "Hi Dummy Smart." So this was the name of my customer. "Your order, and this is my order number, has been successfully completed. Thank you for shopping with us. You can view your order details here." So I have my product name, that is Java course for beginners. I have my total amount, that is 850 rupees. And my SMS ends with, "If you have any questions, please contact our support team." So here this was my SMS notification that I have sent to my customer to inform that I have completed their order. So here I have set up this SMS notification and this route for order completed. Now I'm going to close this. And here I want to set up my second route for refunded orders. So for that, what I need to do is I need to first click on this 3-dot button and I'm going to rename this again. And I'm going to clear this and I'm going to rename this as refunded orders. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow all the same steps that I did for the route of order completed. So I'm going to click on this set filter and action steps button. And here first I need to set up my filter. So I need to select the same label. So I'm going to open this tab. I'm going to open this response of WooCommerce. And here I'm going to select my label as status. My filter type will be equal to, and here in the value, I'm going to type refunded. So here I've changed my value according to my condition. So as from my WooCommerce response, if I'm receiving my label of status and in that status I'm receiving the value of refunded, then this will mean that I have completed my refund of my order and my order has been refunded and my condition will be true. So here I have set up my filter and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on save. Now what I need to do is I need to set up my action step. So I'm going to click on this add action step button. Here again I'm going to use Twilio. And now I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And again I'm going to select my action event as send SMS message. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Twilio with Pabbly Connect. So I will click on connect. And I have already built this connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to use this existing connection. And I'm going to click on save. Now I need to give the body of my SMS and here I'm going to customize my message according to my status of my order. So here I'm going to type my message for refunded orders. So here this is going to be my body of the message for refunded orders. Hi customer name. So I'm going to clear this and I'm going to map my customer name. So I need to open this response of WooCommerce and here I'm going to search for my customer name. So here this is the first name. So I'm going to map this. I'm going to give a space and I'm going to map the last name. Now I need to clear this and I'm going to map my order ID. So I'm going to open the response of WooCommerce and here I'm going to find the ID. So this is my order ID. So I'm going to map this and here my message will be, "Hi customer name, your order and the order ID has been refunded successfully. The amount will be credited to your account shortly. If you have any questions, please contact our support team. Thank you for shopping with us." So this is going to be my personalized SMS that I want to send to my customer when their order will get refunded. So here I've set up this SMS notification for my condition of refunded order. And now what I need to do is I need to follow the same step and I need to give my sender number and my recipient number. So I'm going to give my sender number from Twilio and I'm going to map my recipient mobile number. So I need to click here. I will open the response of WooCommerce and I'm going to search for the phone number. So here this is the phone number, so I'm going to map this and I need to add the country code. So here I have completed this step. Now here I have received this response for the completed order only. So I'm going to just click on save. And here I have created my route for refunded orders. And as I have created this new route for refunded orders, so what is going to happen is that as from WooCommerce, if my order gets refunded and if I change my order status to refunded, then automatically I'm going to send a SMS notification to my customer for refunded order. Now to check this, what I need to do is I need to go back to WooCommerce, and here I'm going to change the status of any other order. Now here I'm going to use this order of latest user. So I'm going to open this, and here I'm going to scroll down, and in this what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the status of my order from processing to refunded. So I'm going to select that, and now what I need to do is I need to click on update, and here I have successfully updated my order. Now what should happen is that automatically a SMS notification should be sent to inform my customer that their order has been successfully refunded. Now let's see whether I have received a SMS notification for refunded order or not. So here we can see that I have received this SMS notification, and here it says, "Hi latest user, this was the name of my customer. Your order, and this is the order number, has been refunded successfully. The amount will be credited to your account shortly. If you have any questions, please contact our support team. Thank you for shopping with us." So here we can see that this was my SMS notification that I have set up for refunded orders. And here we can see that as I have updated my order to refunded, then automatically I have sent this SMS notification to my customer that their order has been successfully refunded. Now let me take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have set up these different routes for my order statuses. And like this, you can set up different routes for different order statuses too. So here I have only set up 2 routes for order completed and refunded orders. Now here we can see that I have successfully created this automation between WooCommerce and Twilio to sending SMS alerts for WooCommerce order updates. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was WooCommerce, and my trigger event was order updated. Then I have set up my actions tab, and here in my actions tab, I have used router by Pabbly. And in router by Pabbly, I have set up different routes for my order statuses, and I have set up my conditions and actions tab where I have used Twilio. So here I have created these 2 different routes for order completed and refunded orders. And now as my order is going to get updated in WooCommerce, then automatically according to my statuses, I'm going to send personalized SMS notification to my customers. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.